What is DSP and why is it very important in the electronic field? Part 1. Introduction to DSP and key components. Digital signal processing, DSP, is a crucial technology in the world of electronics, playing a pivotal role in a wide range of applications, from audio and image processing to communications, control systems, and more. DSP involves the manipulation of digital signals, which are sequences of discrete data points. These digital signals are obtained from real-world analog signals through analog to digital conversion. DSP algorithms and techniques are then applied to these digital signals for various purposes. 1. Sampling. An analog signal is sampled at discrete time intervals to obtain a digital representation. The rate at which samples are taken is known as the sampling rate. 2. Quantization. Sampled values are quantized to a specific number of bits, determining the resolution and precision of the digital representation. 3. Signal processing algorithms. DSP employs a wide range of mathematical and computational algorithms, including filtering, Fourier transforms, convolution, and more. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into the world of DSP in the upcoming segments. Stay tuned! Part 2. The significance of DSP in electronics. 1. Versatility and flexibility. DSP is a fundamental tool in various applications, from audio and video processing to medical imaging. 2. Noise reduction. DSP techniques eliminate noise and interference, enhancing data quality and reducing errors. 3. Efficiency and speed. DSP hardware and software are optimized for faster and more efficient signal processing. 4. Digital communication. DSP plays a vital role in modulating and demodulating signals, enabling high-speed and reliable data transmission. 5. Control systems. DSP is essential for real-time feedback processing and adjusting system parameters in applications like robotics and automation. 6. Medical imaging. DSP improves image quality, reduces noise, and enhances data analysis in techniques like MRI and ultrasound. In summary, DSP is a cornerstone in electronics, contributing to better signal quality, faster processing, and versatile applications across industries.